Hey guys, I wanted to let you know of a way to easily edit out duplicate accounts in your ServiceMonster 6. It's a great thing to do if you have a few extra minutes and just want to keep your ServiceMonster 6 clean and accurate. Go with me to Settings in the Navigator and click on Duplicate Accounts. Inside, you're going to get a thorough list of any accounts in your ServiceMonster 6 that may be duplicates. Let me explain a few of the features of this page. First of all, you have the ability to export this list. So say you wanted to view it in another program. You can. This match order column refers to the number of things that match in the duplicate account. So this one has 4. That could be an address, a phone number, a name, etc. If you type in the account name, I'm just going to do the Jack and Clean, and search it, it will show you the specifics of all that is matching in that account under this match column. So it looks like the address and the phone number. From there, you can decide if you want to merge the accounts or simply delete the duplicate. You do so by clicking on the account name and doing it from the account page. And that concludes editing duplicate accounts in ServiceMonster 6. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.